I work within the mortgage and real estate industry, and I noticed, a significant gap in being able to close the amount of volume that I wanted. I was still performing very well, but if I wanted to grow more, I really needed some help with scalability. I got busy again, and I just, needed that extra help. So I believe you guys came up on a social media feed of mine. Intuition wise, it felt like a really good fit with your group. At first, I might have, been a little turned off. I was like, oh, she's really, direct. But I actually, after, working with her and seeing the candidates that she gave me, I was like, wait, I like this. It was just basically like cut and dry. What is it that we need? What is it that we don't need? And just like a shout out to however you set up your systems, because I work with a lot of sales people and I've worked, in other industries where, you're connecting with sales team. I think you guys are really good at asking for the business. So this is just a direct one there. It was a very smooth process. Had it not been as smooth or given me an opportunity to pause, I probably would have held off. So I recommended it to a few people. I think they're waiting to see how it transacts with me. They're actually business partners of mine. So once they see how my performance is, they'll probably, want to jump on board as well. But yes, I would.